Now we are gonna put shimmer. So, where do you think people put shimmer pag Korean look?
What, in the middle?
Iba yung shimmer na gaganapin natin. Oh, so yung eksena, di ba? Wala kasi namang crease na created. So you can put the shimmer all over. I'm just using my fingers here. Sino ka dyan? O, di ba?
Sino talaga?
Pero yung pose, bakit Latina pa rin? Pwede pa tayo mag-add ng isang layer of shimmer. Ito na, yung medyo malaki. Yung glitter.
For the
Pero,
lady glitter sparkle.
konti lang. Iyan o, nakita mo yun. So there's shading, but there's parang halo-halo talaga siya. Even yung contour natin, yung pang shadow natin, may shimmer siya, di ba? Kasi nga ang peg nila soft, diffused. Ganyan.
Soft, diffused.
Okay. So
Enriched
now we're gonna,
with hyaluronic acid.
we're gonna do your aegyusal. So aegyusal literally means the fatty part under your lash line, and today we are highlighting that. The concept kasi is like, if you have like fatty under eyes, ganun, parang mas younger ka tignan. So, naglagay tayo ng highlight dito, yun yung aegyusal. And then, we also have to put a shadow underneath that. So, di ba parang, kino-contour lang din natin yung ilalim.